Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. But anyway, we want to say to you that we're going to come out very soon with the almond oil. We're going to show you how you can make your almond oil at home. We all know that almond have a lot of benefit for us, just like coconut oil and a lot more different kind of oils. These are the best thing you could ever use at home in your kitchen. And I want to say, even the coconut oil is good for your skin, almond oil is good for your skin, and I want to say it's got a lot of benefit. So guys, I want to say stay tuned, look forward for the almond oil, which I'm going to show you how to make that one at home in your kitchen for your own purpose. And that's the natural one that doesn't go through any process of machine or anything. That's the one which you make at home, where you can use it on your skin, also on your face, and also cook with it. The more almond you're gonna be using is the more oil you're gonna be getting. Alright? Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus page. We got a lot more ideas and tips and recipe coming your way. And also Black History Month, the end of the month, so we all know that we have to do something for Black History Month. That's the last day of the month, which is next week. Guys, you have a lovely weekend also this weekend, and stay tuned. We got a lot more ideas gonna be coming up just as we goes along, as the week goes ahead. And also remember, we got the new cookbook coming out. Stay tuned for that one. And also we have a recipe coming up also, liver with boiled banana. Look forward for that one. Thank you so much to tune into my show, and